Hello guys, this is Baba Yaga and welcome to my channel. So today in this video, taking into consideration the privacy and security, uh, we will be seeing some steps that we can use to harden our overall privacy and security inside Ubuntu. So let's get started. Let's go to our Ubuntu box. Here it is, and so we'll open up our terminal. Firstly, what we'll do is we'll see how we can disable the Ubuntu's crash reporting and usage statistics. Okay, so for that we have opened up our terminal and we enter the following command. We enter sudo, then apt space purge -y, and then we say apport, and we press enter. We give our password, and it's going to the through the purge process, and yes, it gets complete. The other command is sudo space apt space remove -y and popularity hyphen contest, and we press enter here, and that does our process. So this was for uh, disabling Ubuntu's crash reporting and user statistics. Next, we go to settings. From the applications menu, we can go ahead and close this terminal here. And now from here, we go to notifications. We should disable both these buttons here, the do not disturb and lock screen notifications. Now next, we go to privacy, and in privacy we go to screen. Here we disable automatic screen lock, and we also disable the lock screen on suspend. For black screen delay, we click never here, we select never here. Next we go to file history and trash, and we disable this. We should disable all these options. Then we go back, we go to our power options. Here we again change this screen black should be never, just make sure that. And in automatic suspend, we select we disable this feature here, and we close this. And yes, now we are done with the settings. So for the purpose of you know uh, maintaining the security and privacy, you must consider it. You must consider these options. That's all for this video, and this is Baba Yaga signing off. To share this video for those who need, subscribe to my channel Baba Yaga. Thank you. Bye bye.